guys, welcome to my channel. My name is, kind of wave like this. Hey guys. Okay, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. If this is your first time here, then welcome. And for returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below to watch me unbox all sorts of styling services and do shopping hauls, and all my videos are all about clothes, so if that sounds good to you, then subscribe. And let's get into it. Today I have a Trendsend. If you're not familiar with Trendsend, it is a styling service where they send you a box once a month, and they send you 2 fully styled outfits for $1. That is the only styling fee, and that still does get applied to anything you purchase. Not having a styling fee is amazing. Send you 2 fully styled outfits. Again, keep what you like, send back what you don't like. They're brought to you by a store called Evereve. That's where Trendsend comes from. I actually do have one locally, but I prefer that they style outfits and send them to me. Okay, this is new. So here's an envelope with my prices and style notes. I will read the style notes as I open up the outfits, but I'll save the prices for the end. If you are interested in trying Trendsend, there is my referral link below. I do get 20% off of this box today thanks to Megan Howard. Megan, thank you so much for using my referral link, and I really appreciate it because I love getting the discount, and I appreciate you watching my videos. So hopefully, Megan, you have a fantastic box. All right, let's get right into it. So just off the top, bundle number 1 has 1 item in it, so let's go ahead and rip into this, and it appears to be a dress, and it is a dress. Okay, so we have, it is a green dress and v-neck here in the front. Oh, this is by Michael Stars, extra small. It is a long sleeve, and it has a elastic waist, faux wrap here in the front, and then looks like a gathered side here. So hopefully that will fit. Oh, I accidentally saw the price. This is going to be expensive. Okay, so outfit 1, my stylist says, I thought this is the Michael Stars Surprise long sleeve dress. She said, I thought this Michael Stars long sleeve dress would be perfect for your upcoming work holiday party. I did request a green 3/4 or long sleeve dress for my work holiday party. Unfortunately, timing wise, I didn't actually get this box early enough for that, so that has come and gone. It's a beautiful deep green color, which I think you were interested based on notes in your profile. The fit is so flattering, and you can adjust the sleeves and ruching on the side to fit your body and create the perfect length. I would pair with your favorite pair of pumps or booties and a delicate necklace to accentuate your neckline. I really do like that they do send you styling notes so you know how to put things together, what type of shoes, jewelry, things like that to put together. Okay, next up we've got bundle number 2, and let's get into it. First off, ooh, we have a jacket. Oh, guys, I think this is gonna fit. Just looking at it, this looks like a good fitted jacket, and I'm extremely hopeful. It is by Marrakech in an extra small, and it is a blue jacket and is this moto style or regular? I think it's just a regular zip up the front, but that's okay. I've got plenty of moto styles. So I love this. This is just a very cute casual jacket. So extremely hopeful on this. Next up we have a shirt, a t-shirt, and it just says, decide your vibe. So I'm not a big words on a t-shirt type of person, but it might look really nice with this outfit. Next up we have, what is it? Oh, this is a skirt. Oh, interesting. So this is a pencil skirt, a deep navy. It's almost black, but I do believe it is navy. And it's got a really long waistband, so I think it's going to be very high-waisted, but I really like shirts like that. So I really like this. So hopefully this fits. Let's see. This is by Level 99, and it's a small and not an extra small, which is good because pencil skirts I do size up on to compensate for the booty. Let's read the stylist notes. Okay, outfit 2. The jacket is the Harlow jacket by Marrakech, and the tee is Decide Your Vibe tee by Suburban Riot, and the skirt is Pull-On Denim Skirt by Level 99. She said, I just love the Level 99 pencil denim skirt. I think the jacket would be perfect for the office or to wear out at night. I've included a fun graphic tee in the Harlow jacket for a more casual feel, but you could wear the jacket with a dressier tank or blouse to dress up your style. I would wear this skirt with pumps, booties, or even a higher length boot that comes to right below your knee. Okay, great. I'm loving this box. Really loving this box so far. All right, last bundle. Let's get into it. We have a striped, I'd call this probably tunic length shirt, long sleeve. It's quite soft. This is by Peyton Jensen. Quite soft though. I really like this. Okay. And then we have a sweater. Just a cream colored sweater, which I have been on the hunt for the perfect cream color sweater. So I am very hopeful. And this is by Cupcakes and Cashmere. And this feels amazing. Feels really soft and comfy. So hopefully that will fit. The stylist note for these two tops, it says, the last two pieces feel like they would blend with current items in your closet, as well as the Level 99 denim pencil skirt included in your box. The Cupcakes and Cashmere sweater and ivory would pair with your skirt and your favorite pair of earrings. The Peyton Jensen striped tunic is so soft you'll love wearing it. You can wear it with the denim skirt and dress up with a necklace, or pair with your favorite denim jeans for a more casual look. The Harlow jacket would also look great over this tunic, and bright colors are perfect for these colder winter days. Alright, this is my stylist this time was Maureen, and I skipped over like her first section. So she said, hi Jennifer, happy Trendsend Day. I'm so excited to pick some great outfits for you to wear now and through the holiday season. I tried to keep in mind upcoming holiday parties and fun outfits to wear in your daily life at work and play. Your comments on past Trendsend items were so helpful in picking out just the right pieces for you, so please continue to do that. As always, if you should need a different size, just let us know. Enjoy. Okay, awesome. I am excited about this box. I'm excited about trying all these items on, and let's get to the fun part. Okay, first up we have this dress. Now, I love the sleeve length, and it's the type of material that you really can scrunch up as you feel you need. It does have the front tacked here to keep the faux wrap in place, and there's actually extra fabric here or in the neckline that if you want to be more conservative, you can kind of just pull it in and kind of close that V up a little bit. The length of it I think is really cute. It doesn't feel like it's too super tight down here, but here's the black back, and I really like it. So my only hesitation is when I put this dress where I like it, there's like a huge this kind of flops around here. So played around with it at different, because she mentioned specifically in the style note, like, hey, you can kind of play around with it to customize it to how you like. So I pull it down, and that gets rid of the flap, but then you have the waistline all the way down here, which I do not love. So I think, though, I can actually kind of fold this over a little bit, and does shorten the skirt a little bit, but still it's pretty close to knee length. And just kind of fold it over a little bit, and that keeps the wrap laying flat and keeps me happy. This is definitely a contender to keep. I think it's a really gorgeous dress, and this is solely going to come down to what the price of it is, but I love it. Was this the item I saw the price tag on? I think it was. I think I saw a price tag that was like $138. So if that's this, I'm not keeping it. I like the dress, I like it a lot, I'd wear it, but I don't love it enough to warrant the higher price tag for me. Not that it's not worth it, it's Michael Stars, it's worth it, but for what I'm willing to pay based off of how I love something. So, okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on the next outfit. All right, outfit number 2, and guess what, guys? The jacket fits, and I love it. I think it's a beautiful jacket. I don't have any blue jackets, and I generally would veer away from that because all I would wear with it usually would be denim jeans, and I wouldn't want too much of a blue on blue action. But I've got lots of other color pants now, and a lot that I think this could go with. So this is a definite contender. So the zipper is a little bit off center, so I almost wish it was over like even more, that it was like clear that it was supposed to be like a moto type thing and not like, hey, we just got the zipper in the wrong spot. But I still really love it. And so this is what it looks like with a half zip, and this is what it looks like fully unzipped. So there you go, this is the back of it. What do you guys think? I think it fits, and again, if it's not too expensive, then I think I'm going to keep this. I like it. All right, let's move on to the rest of the outfit. So the t-shirt, it's cute, but not really my style. I'm not really a printed t-shirt type person, but it's a very soft t-shirt, so it feels like good quality. And then the pencil skirt, I really like it. It's super comfortable, just a simple pull on. I like the wide waistband because I do feel like it pulls me in a little bit. I like the dark navy color. Doesn't feel too snug on me. Has a lot of stretch to it. So again, another keeping contender. So let's go ahead and get to the last 2 tops. All right, next up we have this tunic top. I just left the skirt on. I don't really like the tunic top with it. If I wore the tunic top with it, I definitely have to tuck it in, and there'd be a whole lot of extra fabric in here. So I would not pair these two together. I did throw on the jacket over it to see what that looked like, but this top is obviously meant to be worn with a pair of leggings. It's a cute top, a soft top. So I'm kind of on the fence as far as it. I like it. Let's see, so you guys can see it. The sleeves are a little long, but they scrunch up really easy, so that's not an issue. I like these rounded hem tops a lot, and I think I've got a couple pairs of leggings this would look nice with. So considering this one as well, let's get on the cream sweater last. Okay, last up I have this cream sweater on, and I'll say this really is not my style. Again, it fits really well. The sleeve lengths are great. The sleeve tightness is great. It's meant to be oversized, so there's a lot of extra room in here. It's a shorter sweater, so I'm not really so much into shorter sweaters like this. And then has a slit here on each side that go up pretty high. And then even has this kind of perforation on the top here. I think it's a beautiful sweater. Absolutely, I think it's very beautiful. I just don't think that it's quite my style, but I think it'd be great for somebody else whose style it is. So really nice sweater. All right, let's go over prices and do the recap. All right, that was another great Trendsend box. I really like Trendsend because I feel like I get unique pieces from them. I like that they're fully styled, and I like that they're more casual styling service. So I get dressy items from other boxes. I feel like this one can be slightly more casual, and I really appreciate that. So I got a lot of fun pieces in this box. Now let's talk about the damage. Let's see how expensive they are. All right, so I am wearing the Ivory Kirk sweater by Cups, Cakes, and Cashmere, and I'm just going to give you the discounted prices because I don't feel like looking at all the tags. So this is with my 20% discount. You can calculate what the original price was if you so choose. So this is $50.39. As you guys saw, I really didn't feel like it was my style, so I will not be keeping that. And then we have this is the Harlow jacket by Marrakech, and it is $63.99. I did see on the tag that this is originally $148, has been marked down to $80, and then the $64 is with my discount. So this is a great deal. I love this jacket. It's gorgeous. So yes, I'm gonna keep it. Okay, thanks. Next up, We have the Decide Your Vibe tee by Suburban Riot, and this $30.40. It's a fine t-shirt. I don't pay 30 bucks for t-shirts, and also it's just not really my style. Next up, we have the Michael Stars dress. This is a surplus long sleeve dress, and it is $140. So originally, when I told you guys, I thought I saw the tag, it was $138. So liked it, didn't love it enough to want to pay over $100 for it. Then we have the Livy Stripe tunic by Peyton Jensen, and it's $31.99. What I love about this shirt is all the colors here in the stripes. I'm gonna hold that up here to the camera, but we've got blue and mauve and burgundy, and there's just so many so many jackets, so many cardigans, things like that that I can wear over this. So definitely think I'm going to be keeping this. Next up, we have the pull-on denim skirt by Level 99, and this is $40. Really liked this. Is this on sale? I feel like I expect more expensive from Level 99. Let's see. Originally $68, marked down to $49.99, and then my price is the $39.99. So I want to keep this as well. I'm hesitant, you know, I have 3 pieces here that I really want to keep. I'm hesitant to spend this much on this box just because we spent a lot of money in my fashion video. I mentioned that my cat passed and he was old, but we spent a lot of money trying to hope that what was going on with him was something that was easily fixed. So after spending all that money, he still ended up passing, and that was just kind of an epic waste of money, but at least we know we tried. And so I'm going to be a little bit cheaper on these boxes because I just spent a buttload of money on my cat. So I'm not entirely sure exactly if I'll keep all these 3 items, but those are definitely my top contenders. So let me know what you guys think, what you guys think I should keep. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, there's a referral link below if you want to try this. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.